Hi, this is ICT training and I'm your trainer Mian Ahsan. Today we're going to learn how to turn an image into black and white tone. So let's start. File menu, open hard drive, click open button. In the right panel side you see adjustments panel. Here is black and white adjustment. Click on it. You see different tones here. As per need, you shift the slider for desirable results. Black and white tones make a beautiful impact on your image. This action is controllable. Whenever you want to turn it off, just simply click on this eye. The effects hides. Click again to activate. Double click to see that options again, and you can adjust anytime as per the feedback to make it more impressive. Thank you.